Hello guys, today we're going to talk about how to fix the Bluetooth pairing issues in your SONOS Era 100. So the first thing is that you may have some problems with your phone. Open your phone settings. It doesn't have to be actually the iPhone, I think that you know that. And here open Bluetooth settings. Here turn off Bluetooth. Once it's turned off, you need to wait 10 seconds at least. Turn your device back on, and now tap your device and check if it will be connected. As you can see, I have not connected. I have no idea why, so let's do something else. Tap this info icon near your device. Forget this device, don't forget device. Turn off Bluetooth. Now here, unplug the cable, power cable, from the bottom of your speaker, and now find the Bluetooth button, which is over here at the top. You need to hold this button, click and hold, and plug the power button. Meantime, hold your power Bluetooth button till you see this light, this light pulsating orange white. Now you can place your speaker like this, turn on the Bluetooth, and just wait until the speaker appears on the list. If it doesn't appear in the list, you need to enter the pairing mode using the Bluetooth button by holding it until you hear a tone. And actually that should be it. Goodbye.